What was the color of the light? That's all I want to know. What was the color of the light as you were proceeding through the intersection? In every car accident case where there's a question of an intersection, now the one thing I want to know is, what was the color of the light? You don't want to know what this is about? Come join me as I'll share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York personal injury and car accident attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. In every car accident case where we claim that a driver did not pay attention to the color of the light, during the pretrial testimony, the discovery phase, I have an opportunity to question the people that you have sued. That's known as a deposition. And that's nothing more than a question and answer session given under oath in an attorney's office. And the one key thing that I want to know during this type of pretrial testimony is, what was the color of the light? Now, what do you think the driver is going to say? They're going to say, the color of the light was green for me, of course, right? So now you have a clear dispute. My client says the color of the light was green. They're coming another direction. They're saying that the light was green. Only one of them can be correct, assuming, of course, that the light is working properly. So now, it's not enough for me simply to ask the witness, excuse me, Mr. Jones, what was the color of the light as you approached the intersection? Of course, he's going to say green. Instead now, I have to ask probably about 50 to 100 different questions, specifically getting him to focus on what was the color of the light from the time he first saw that traffic light. And then, how far away were you from that traffic light when you saw it, Mr. Jones? What was your speed? Were there any other cars nearby you? What was the weather like at that time? Were you accelerating? Were you slowing down? Were you on an incline? Were you on a decline? Was it daytime? Was it nighttime? Did you have the music on? Was it off? Were your windows open or were they closed? All of these things go into identifying what this driver observed, what he saw, and then I also want to know, Mr. Jones, as you were approaching the intersection, did the color of the light change? Were there any cars in front of you as you continued to approach? Did you have to apply your foot on the brake as you got closer to the intersection? So all of these questions are designed to learn more information, little tiny details about from the time he first saw the intersection, to the time he first saw the color of the light, to the time and distance it took him to travel to get into the intersection, to where the impact occurred. So all of these things are designed to answer one key question. Mr. Jones, what was the color of the light? So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in evaluating a car accident case where I want to know one key thing. What was the color of the light? You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your car accident matter happened here in New York and you do have questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. I'm going to go inside now and take a look at what was the color of the light. Have a great day.